Hi, it's me, Catherine. What are you doing? You're trying to be on my show again? You ruined it last time. Kiwi, what secrets are you hiding? Tell me your secrets or I'll poke you. Poke. 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 Squish. What do you want to talk about? How pretty you are? I got 3 packages. One of them was the long-awaited Kiwi play stand, which you can see him thinking about using right now. That's Kiwi. That's the play stand. It's got like a ladder and a swing and a bow, and you can sit on it and look pretty. I put him on it earlier and I think he liked it. Look at Kiwi on his new play stand. He's playing. I think maybe Kiwi and I spend too much time together. Because stuff he does is starting to make sense.